Okay, it's part 3 now. We in one bit one. I don't know. 100,000 130,000 in 350. We need to get 500. So no, I don't want to equip you. No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to equip you. Okay, I don't need to toss up. Boom. 1,000, 10,000. We need one. I need 500,000 to get tunnel. Yahoo! You look like scientist. Okay, we in now tunnel. You like to buy me while you pointed a gun. You like to equip me? You gonna shoot me? No, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, bro. I'm gonna kill you, bro. Okay, we need 152, Mr. Computer. I just say that too. You are dead too. Not shoot me. What? Look, he had a gun. Look like the Tanner 2 guns. What the? Okay, but it reached 3 minutes. I need to get a part 4. Okay, it's 3.